Good morning all. I am Rashpreeta, doing first MR in NKT National College of Women for Education. So I am going to do a seminar on the topic influence of political factors on different aspects of educational reforms. So let us move into the subject. So first let us see what the introduction part. So the Tamil first let us understand the topic first. The title is about what are the welfare schemes provided by the government of Tamil Nadu in order to improve the in order to improve the educational circumstances of the students. So that is the so I am going to say about various welfare schemes provided by the government of Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is witnessing a vibrant development phase with the state government giving special emphasis for the development of the children. The health and education of the children have been improved by implementing various welfare schemes. These provide the children with facilities to better future. So our government is planning to give a better future for the students. So the government is very concerned about in any way or other the best education should reach the students. So any hindrance must not affect the students in order to stop their development regarding education. So the government is implementing for this reason the government is implementing various welfare schemes including distribution of cost free items to the students to all government and government aided schools to overcome the social and economic differences among the children and to ensure enrollment and the retention of the students in government and government aided school. It not only says it takes the government takes care of the students who has enrolled in the schools, and also the main idea of the government is that the students has to retain in the educational form. So any economical substitution or any welfare thing must not be the hindrance for the student for their educational development. So that is their main concern. So let us see the various welfare scheme provided by the government of Tamil Nadu for the students. First is Purashi Talaivar MGR Nutritional Meal Program. So everyone knows it is as only nutritional meal program, but its full name is Purashi Talaivar MGR Nutritious Meal Program. So this nutritious meal program concentrates about providing nutritious noon meal to the students who is studying from the class 1 to 10, and it is started by Purashi Talaivar Dr. MGR Nutrition Meal Program. So let us see how many of students get benefited and how much of the budget they are allocating through this scheme. The scheme first, let us see. The scheme is being implemented by Social Welfare and Nutritious Meal Program Department. So during the academic year 2019 to 20, 48.19 lakh students have been benefited under the scheme, and the scheme will be continuing in the academic year 20 to 21 also. So next is textbooks. So free textbooks are being provided to all students of government and government aided schools. So this textbooks is provided for the government and government aided schools, and it is being introduced in the year 12 to 13, and they are introducing a trimester system in order to reduce the heavy load of goods, carrying of goods. We ourselves have studied in certain circumstances only. Carrying books will be heavy to us, and it will for until the end of the syllabus the book may torn off in any page or other. We have to take care of it. So in order to avoid all this, government itself providing 3 semesters. For every 3 semesters they will be providing books for the students on the opening day of the school. So it is in the academic year 19 to 20, 72.18 lakh students have been benefited. So a sum of rupees 195.25 crore has been allocated for the continuance of the scheme during the academic year 20 to 21. So next is notebooks. They are not only providing textbooks, they are providing notebooks also for the students studying in the standard 1 to 10 and government and government aided schools from the year 12 to 13. Free notebooks are distributed. This is also distributed in the same opening day of the school. Nearly 59.92 lakh students have been benefited by the scheme in the year 19 to 20. A sum of rupees 107.20 crores has been provided for the continuance of the scheme during the year 20 to 21. So next is laptop. So this laptop scheme is very beneficial for the students, and currently it is very beneficial. Students studying in higher secondary standards in government and government aided schools are provided with cost-free laptops since 2011 to 12. Nearly 15.31 lakh students has been benefited in the year 18 to 19 and 19 to 20 through this free laptop scheme. A sum of rupees 949.30 crores have been allocated for the continuance of the scheme for the students. That is, students studying in the standard 11 in government and government aided schools during the academic year 20 to 21. So next is we are going to see about school bag. The school bags are being provided for the free of cost to all students. So they are also providing school bags. They are providing lunch. They are providing textbooks in every trimester method, and they are providing notebooks in opening day of the school, and they are providing laptops, and again they are providing school bags. These school bags are students who are studying in say government and government aided schools will be benefited through this school bag, free of cost school bag, and it is from the standard 1 to 12, and it has been started from the year 12 to 13, 2012 to 13, and in past 2019 to 20 nearly 71.87 lakh students has been benefited in the scheme of school bag. Government is providing also uniforms for the students, and it is providing 4 sets of uniform cost free. It is entirely free for the students. They are providing 4 sets of uniform for the students every year who are studying in government and government aided schools, and who are the students who get uniform is from the standard 1 to 8 and are enrolled in, and who can get this uniform is they may have been enrolled in NGO nutritious meal program. So if they are enrolled in that scheme means in that program means they will get, only that students will get this free cost uniform. The government has introduced new design of uniform for distribution to the children of government and government aided schools in the year 19 to 20. In the academic year 19 to 20, 38.70 lakh students has been benefited. A sum of rupees 409.30 crores has been provided for the continuance of the scheme during the academic year 2020 to 21. So next is footwear. They are providing footwear also. Footwear is provided free of cost to all students studying in the standard 1 to 10 in government and government aided schools from the year 12 to 13. So most of the schemes are being started by considering the demands of the students and their daily needs and daily necessaries from the year 2012 to 13. In the academic year 2019 to 20, nearly 59.92 lakh students has been benefited in this footwear scheme. So they are also have been decided to distribute shoes and socks for the students studying in 6 to 10 in government and government aided schools from the academic year 20 to 21 instead of chappals. So far they have been providing footwear, chappals only, but they are from this year onwards they have decided to provide shoes and socks also. A sum of rupees 90.17 crores has been allocated for implementing the scheme during the academic year 20 to 21. So next is geometry box. The students are also being provided with the geometry box free of cost for the students studying in 6th to 8th. So geometry box will be useful for the students from the 6th to 8th, and they can use it for their 10th class also. So only 6th to 8th they are providing geometry boxes. Again, government and government aided schools, and it is implemented here in the year 2013 to 12. It is being implemented from 13 to 14. So they have introduced in 12 to 13, but it is being implemented in the year 13 to 14, the next year, next academic year. And in the academic year of 19 to 20, nearly 11.33 lakh students has been benefited under this scheme, geometry box scheme. So that's all. These are, I have covered most of the scholarships, most of the schemes, welfare schemes provided by the government of Tamil Nadu to the students of government and government aided schools who are studying in this thing. My reference, I have taken reference from this page, online page, and also I have taken some introduction parts in this from this book. Thank you friends. Thank you all.